Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 of your science book, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. And we will discuss about weather, climate and adaptations in this chapter. First is weather. Weather plays a very important role in our life. During summer, we switch on fans to keep ourselves cool and we use light color clothes to wear. During winter, we use dark color clothes and wrap ourselves in warm clothes to protect us from cold environment. Similarly, during the rainy season, we use umbrella or raincoat as it may rain anytime. Therefore, our daily activities are planned according to the weather predicted for a particular day. The daily report of weather is provided on television, radio and even in newspaper. So we can define weather as day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. And all these temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed are called elements of weather. First is temperature. The weather is mainly affected by the sun that produces heat and raises the temperature. The heat from the sun is absorbed by the earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere, which plays a very important role in determining the weather of any place. Therefore, it is clear that change in weather is caused due to sun because the changes occurring in sun's heat will change the atmosphere more frequently. The time of sunrise and sunset also changes throughout the year. Next element of weather is rainfall. The amount of water droplet that fall back on the earth after condensation of water vapor is called rainfall. When the temperature is too low, these droplets in the cloud get freezed into crystals of ice and comes on the earth as snowfall. Rainfall is generally measured in millimeters and the instrument that is used to measure the rainfall is called rain gauge. Next element of weather is humidity and it is defined as the amount of water vapor in air which causes dampness of air. And the instrument which is used to measure humidity is hygrometer. The next element of weather is wind speed. Wind speed is caused due to difference in air pressure. During summer, the wind blows from Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal and causes rain in India. While during winter, it blows from mountain of North India towards northern plain and causes cold weather. The prediction of weather is done by scientists called meteorologists who study the changes in weather. The weather is predicted by studying the pattern of weather and factors affecting them. The science which deals with the study of weather is called meteorology. Now we are coming to next topic, that is climate. The average weather pattern taken over a long period of time is called climate of that place. And different places in the world have different types of climate. The annual record of long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is called climate chart. There are several factors that determine the climate at a place. And first is distance from the sea. Climate of a place varies according to the closeness of the sea. The places that are near the sea are moderate, like Mumbai and Chennai, while the places that are away from the sea have extreme climate, having very hot summer or too cold winter. Second is altitude or height above the sea level. Climate also varies according to the altitude. The higher altitude are cooler, like Himalaya. Third factor is humidity. It also determines the climate of a place. Kolkata and Kerala have high humidity, while Rajasthan and Haryana have low humidity. The climate of India varies in different regions. The north region of Himalaya has cold and moderately wet climate, like in Kashmir. Plains has moderately hot and wet climate, like in Uttar Pradesh. South has very hot and wet climate, for example, Kerala. The western region has hot and dry climate, like Rajasthan. And the northeastern India has wet climate like in Assam and receives rain for a major part of the year. So weather and climate has a major impact on the life of every organism and according to which animals try to change themselves. This ability of organisms to develop certain features which improve the chances of their survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptation. Means the changes which takes place in the organism for their better survival are called adaptations. And these adaptations are of three types: structural adaptation, behavioral adaptation, and physiological adaptation. Structural adaptation means adaptation of special body part of an organism that helps it to survive in its natural habitat. For example, skin color, shape, body covering, etc. And these changes are mainly in their body structure. Second is behavioral adaptation. It means adaptation of special ways in a particular organism that helps it to survive in its natural habitat. It usually occurs in response to some external stimuli. For example, frogs and bear undergoes hibernation or winter sleep during hard winter season, and these changes are in their behavior. And the third one is physiological adaptations. Means adaptation of a body system present in an organism that allow it to perform certain biochemical reactions. For example, warm-blooded animals are able to keep the constant body temperature. Means these changes are related to body functioning. Animals that live in very cold or hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against extreme cold or heat. According to their habitat, animals adapt themselves. These animals may be grouped as polar region animals and tropical rainforest animals. Let us discuss something about weather conditions of polar region. The polar region, as the name suggests, are situated near the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. The countries that belong to polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberian region of Russia. Polar regions show extremely colded climate which is covered with snow and remains cold for most part of the year. In this region, the sun does not set for 6 months and even does not rise for another 6 months. The temperature goes below minus 37 degrees Celsius during winters. The ground remains frozen most of the year and water becomes available only during the short summer when snow melts. Mosses and short-lived flowering plants grow in this region. Animals living in these regions are adapted in different ways to cope with the conditions of temperature, light and moisture, and also according to the availability of food in that region. Polar bear and penguin and whale and seal are the animals that live in polar region. Animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Let us see how they are adapted by considering the examples of polar bear and penguin. First is adaptations in polar bear. Polar bear is a large and white bear that lives in north polar regions of the earth. The polar bear mainly feeds on fishes and seal and can survive in extremely cold climate of polar region due to following adaptations. Their body is covered with thick coat of white fur and it helps them to blend with their surrounding snow white background and cannot be noticed by their predators. Beneath the fur is a thick coat of fat which insulates the body from cold and keeps the bear warm. A polar bear is a good swimmer and which has wide and large paws that help it to swim. These paws also help bear to walk on the snow easily. They have strong sense of smell so that they can locate their prey easily. They also possess small ear to keep their body surface to the minimum and reduce the heat loss from the body. The thick layer of fat beneath the skin also stores food in winter. And this stored food also helps the mother polar bear to survive in the winter when they undergo hibernation. So these are some adaptations in polar bear. Now we are looking at the adaptations in penguins. Another well-known animal living in the polar is penguin, which can survive due to following adaptations. These are black and white in color, which merge well with the white background of ice and snow. They have thick skin and thick layer of fat below the skin which protects them from extreme cold. They possess a streamlined body, flipper-like wings, and webbed feet which make it a good swimmer. This adaptation helps the penguin to catch fish as prey. They live together in large numbers and huddle together to keep themselves warm. Have you heard the term migration? Migration is the seasonal journey taken by different animals or birds to escape the extreme climatic conditions and the search of food. For example, Siberian crane migrate towards warmer region in the autumn by traveling several thousands of kilometers. They are seen in Bharatpur, Rajasthan and Sultanpur and Haryana, and sometimes in wetland of northeast and other parts of India. Migratory birds sometimes travel as much as 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme climatic conditions of their habitat. Now let us discuss about conditions of tropical rainforest and the adaptations related to it. The tropical region lies near both the sides of the equator line on the earth, and these regions are hot and get plenty of rainfall. Therefore, this region is humid and the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius even in the coldest month. During hot summer, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. Tropical rainforest is the important feature of tropical region, and these regions are rich in vegetation and diversity in animals is also seen in this region. In India, tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghat and Assam, and other countries of the world are like Southeast Asia, Central America, Malaysia, Indonesia, Nigeria and Central Africa also have tropical rainforest. The major type of animals living in rainforest are monkeys, apes, tiger, elephant, leopard, lizard, snakes, birds and insects. Since there are large number of animals found in this region, there is intense competition for food and shelter among these animals. So the animals are adapted in such a way that they eat different kinds of food and live in different kinds of places to overcome competition for food and shelter respectively. Now we will study about the adaptations in different animals living in tropical rainforest. First is red-eyed frog. The red-eyed frog lives on trees in tropical rainforest. They have sticky pad on their feet and help them to climb trees. It does not live in water and has a green back and creamy underside. It has big and bulging bright red eyes and it is nocturnal. It sleeps during the day and becomes active during night and feeds on insect present on the tree. The bulging eye of frog protects it from its predator. The sudden opening of big and bright red eyes frightens the predator for a while, and in the meantime the frog gets time to jump to a safe place. The green color of frog helps it to hide within the green leaves of the tree and helps it to protect from predators. Next is adaptations in monkey. The monkeys living in tropical rainforest have a long tail for grasping branches. Their hand and feet are adapted in such a way that they can easily hold the branches of the trees. The eyesight of the monkeys is very good, which helps them in leaping between the branches to escape from their predators. Monkeys eat fruits, seeds, leaves, roots and insects as their food, which is present in abundance in tropical rainforest. Next is adaptations in lion-tailed macaca. It is also called as the beard ape and lives in the rainforest of Western Ghat in India. It has silver white mane which surrounds the head from cheek down to the chin, which is the specific characteristic of this animal. It is also called as lion-tailed because its tail is like that of lion, having bunch of tuft of hair at the end. And they spend most of their time feeding in the upper canopy of tree, means they are arboreal animals. It mainly feeds on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stem, flowers and buds. They can also eat insects present under the bark of the tree. Since it is able to get sufficient food on trees, it rarely comes down on the ground and spends a major part of its life on the tree. It is a good climber also, with its hand and feet adapted to hold the branches of the trees firmly. Next is adaptations in toucan bird. And toucan is a bird which is found in tropical rainforest and which possesses a long, strong and large beak. And this bird is adapted for tropical rainforest in several ways. It is a colorful bird which possesses a strange beak, and it lives most of the time in the holes of big trees. The long and large beak helps toucan to reach the fruits attached to the ends of even thin branches of trees that are weak enough to support its weight. It is an adaptation of this bird to get the unreachable fruits. Its large beak also helps in temporary storage of fruit which is collected by toucan. These possess feet that are adapted for grasping up the branches of trees firmly. Toucan can change the color of its feather so as to get mixed up with the surrounding, and they are not easily noticed by predators and remain safe. Now we are coming to adaptations in lion and tiger. These are also called as big cats and are carnivore, which eat only flesh of other animals. So the adaptations to survive in tropical rainforest are: they have thick skin and skin color helps them to match to their surrounding. The yellow-brown color of lion and black strips of tiger help them to hide in the forest by blending with the surroundings. It helps these carnivores to catch their prey. They have strong sense of smell which helps them to locate their prey. They also develop sensitive hearing capacity to find its prey. They have eyes in front of their head which enable them to have a correct idea of the location of their prey. They also have a good eyesight. Their strong legs help them to run fast, and long, sharp, strong claws in front of their legs help them to catch and tear their prey. Now we are coming to adaptations in elephant. Elephant is a well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest. These are plant eaters and are adapted in many remarkable ways to survive in tropical rainforest. The elephant has a long trunk which is used as nose and has a strong sense of smell. It also helps animal to pick up the food. The long trunk is also used for breathing. It can reach up to branches of trees and help it to eat tree leaves. It is used for sucking water from lakes or rivers. The elephant possesses tusks, long pointed teeth that are used in tearing the bark of trees which the elephant loves to eat as food. It also helps elephant to fight their enemies and protecting themselves. The elephant has large ears that help it to hear even very soft sounds and can sense the danger. It also helps the elephant to keep it cool in hot and humid climate of tropical rainforest. The feet of elephant is large and round which help it to provide good stability and also prevent it from sinking into soft ground due to its heavy weight. So this is all about weather, climate and adaptations in polar regions and tropical rainforest. Thank you very much.